Pepa Super Saiyan Chicos and Super Saiyan Chicas. Once again, making another part of Bitburner. This game is fucking awesome. It's addicting, and I want to see if I could get done with the story. Now, I was told that there's a way to make it so we could use JavaScript. So I'm kinda am gonna try doing that right quick. So I not researched this, unfortunately. I haven't had time. Actually, I'm very sleepy, but I need to keep the grind. I need to keep going with these videos. I want to become a super YouTuber. I Bitburner Part 1 is my most popular game, basically most view. It already has almost 1,200 views, and I need to grind because this is a good way for me to get into that spotlight, so my channel could get recognized and I get views and all that stuff. Tomorrow I'm not gonna make a video because tomorrow I'm gonna be celebrating my son's first birthday. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to make a video now. I'll probably make because I had pre-recorded a video yesterday, so I'll probably pre-record one today, which I'll post tomorrow. So tomorrow, no Bitburner. I'm gonna see if I do Sunday Bitburner again. Anyway, guys, you guys know the drill. Subscribe, like, notification bell, and comment. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate the people that are just coming for Bitburner. That's fine. I appreciate you guys for commenting. Some may have been subscribing or some just views the video. That's fine. It's still support. It is what it is. Whatever you guys could do, I appreciate it. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to again. I'm gonna try hard to get this series like to the end. Like I want to finish it, and yeah. In the meantime, I am reinforcing some of my programming skill, which is of 2 for 1 basically. Anyway, so my script generated 12.427 mil. I don't remember if that was more than yesterday, to be honest. And my hacknet, wow, I am at almost half a bill, and that's good. Those hacknets, they generate a lot. So there's another one, night set, and they want me to go and install backdoor on their server. I don't understand why they're so desperate for these. Let's look at the active scripts and see what are we doing here. So here we're still making 200 a second. Food 100, 172. All right. Eh, we're making something, right? 40 something dollar on the iron gem. All right. Well, we are making something. And our hacking level is at 220 fucking 4. That is awesome. I think I could start working at the CIA if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna go and do that right quick. Let me go ahead. I know I could work for. Let me see. Return to world. eCorp, Netlink, Clark, Crush Fitness, Watchdog Security. What's this? I cannot do that. To begin trading, you must purchase an account. Okay. Okay, I did. So can I buy anything here? Bit price. Okay, I'll buy. Input the quantity of share. Oh no, 10 or 100. You bought 100. Alright. Yeah, why not? Let's sit on that for a minute. And let's go with that. I'll mess with that later. I need to learn how to mess with this anyway. There's a encyclopedia thing. Investopedia. Alright, anyway, I don't care about that. What I do care about is let's see if we can make this so we could do the whole JavaScript. So I saw that in one of my viewers. Oh, it's the NS1 versus NS2, right? Oh yeah, no, I might not do that. So alright. So okay, my ear. Alright, so here. NetScript 1.0, which is what I've been using. So ES5, some ES6 features, if implemented with polyfills, slow compared to NetScript JS, interpret around now supports almost all features of modern JavaScript. Extremely fast code is executed as an async function, works on most modern browsers. Each script becomes a module, and therefore all instances of that script can easily share data between each other, essentially global instead of variables. I have no idea what the hell that means. All right. Did I click on next? Yeah, I did. Did it fall asleep? All right. How to use NS2. So working with NS2 script is the same as NS1. The only difference is that NS2 script use the .js extension rather than the script. Okay. So nano full. Okay. Okay. So run full. Okay. I'm not sure what the T and all these arguments. So is that full? Okay. Okay. Therefore, the signature of the main function must be ns. Write await before any call. Okay. Any function that contains await must be declared as async. Always await any function that is marked. Any function. Okay. 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 All right. So from here, what it says that the main difference is using .js. So that's a .js file. Let's go ahead, try that out, and see what we get. Right. So I'm gonna go and I'm not gonna spend too much time on this one today. So I could do something like, all right, let me see, what was test script 2? So nano test script 2. So here we have this array, and what we're doing is we're trying to see the income we're getting. All right. So here, let's try to basically do the same thing. So on the command prompt, I'm gonna go nano test 3.js. All right. So when you do that right away, we have this export async function. So what if I delete this? Or let me comment it out. And I do something like, excuse me, tprint hello world. So that's with the async. So I gotta learn how to work with async, right? I honestly, that part I don't know. I've never worked with async. All right. So now I'm gonna say run test 3. Yeah, yes. Tprint is not defined. Great. Why is it not defined? So tprint is defined anywhere else. Yeah, see tprint. So that is gonna be, yeah, tprint is defined. It's right there. I see the function right there. Not sure how it's not defined. Hack is defined too. So honestly, don't know how it's saying that it's not defined. Line 6. Okay. How about console.log? No, console.log is not defined. All right. So let's see. Okay. So therefore, the signature may must be okay. The caveat when using NS2 to write script is that your code must be asynchronous. Furthermore, instead of using global scope and executing your code sequentially, NS2 uses a main function as an entry point. Furthermore, the NetScript environment must be passed into an NS2 script through the main function. This environment includes all the predefined NetScript function, hack, exec, whatever, as well as argument you pass through the script. Therefore, the signature of the main function must be export async function main ns. Okay, and ns. Okay, so you gotta pass and do something like this. ns dot. And now, if I save this and then I run in the terminal, that should run now. It's not though. ns is not defined. Oh, maybe because I did not do this. No. that has to be in here because that's where we're doing this. All right. Well, let's go ahead and save this baby and run it. And hello world. All right. Well, I could give it a try. Supposedly this is faster. Now, I will give it a try if I could do something like this. So if I could do something like this, where I go ns dot t print. You know what? No, I'm gonna just use whatever I have in hello world. I'm gonna pass this variable that is named message. All right. So here I'm gonna do something like this. Not sure if everything has to be within this fucking. No, you could have let. Okay, so you could actually use let. Perfect. So it does use ES6. So if I do let message is equal to let's leave it like here, and then here we're gonna do okay message equal. Here we go, and then we're gonna do something like this. All right, let me think. All right, this is a message that I want printed on the terminal. Let me put a question mark here, and I could do something like this. All right, now save this terminal. Oh boy, nice. Okay, you know what this means? This means that this script. Now, can I use the other functions? That'll be a good question. But I'm gonna be able to basically. There's a lot of stuff you could do here now, because this is perfect for when you're doing messages like the other one that I have here. Terminal, and we have something like this. It was cd scripts, right? And it was create. Where's the create? Nano create. No, not crush fixness. It was create hack or something like that. No, not run script. What's in the other page? I don't even remember now. I gotta keep them all together. Nano create hack. There you go. Instead of having all this mumbo jumbo like this, I could do something like this. This I'm gonna save this in the message. Alright. Here. Alright. I'm gonna give this a try. Alright. Let's get this baby a try. Here, I'm gonna put it here. So I have it as reference and I'm gonna continue. Wait. So first up, I'm gonna declare this array. I'm gonna continue declaring the array as we've been doing. So there you go. Now, from there, what we're gonna do is get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. Now, in ES6, you don't need this for loop anymore. So what you could do now is you could do something like this. For let host name in host names, right? And then now here we do something like this. We're gonna go ahead and do like this. Let me see. We could do something like this. Let me see. We'll do like we could pass in message. So we have it have message equal, right? We're gonna have message equal. Well, I don't think that should do this. Oh, let me beautify it. Well, it did. All right. Well, so here we're gonna pass in. This is a message that I want printed on the terminal. The host name. Oh, I'm gonna do a new line. The host name is, and then here you could just do this, and then type in host name, and that's it. Oh, wait, I think I need a dollar sign. There you go. So now with this, right? I go ahead, I save this, and then I run it on the script. Oh wait, I should comment these. Should comment this baby out. Don't want this to give too much problem. Let message, which I do have message. Let me get rid of this message. Oh, okay. So every time I change message to this, and then I print it. Print. Print message. All right. All right. Cool. And now I go ahead and save this baby. Hit that terminal, and let's run it. Okay. Let's see. Oh, right. I am so sorry. Supposed to be NST. Got it. Got it. I am sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There we go. This is a message that I want to host name is 0. Okay. Now, host name. Right. Let host name in host names. So let host name. Why is it showing 0 though? Unless I have to do something like this, which I probably have to, which is host names. Host name. All right. Then let's save this. Terminal. There we go. There we go. So we could do something like, so it's shorter. We could just call this name. And then just, or host. Whatever you want to make it easier. That way you have like too long. Yeah. And this is a better way. It's easier than making the for loop and all that stuff. It's an easy way to, basically go about it. And it's easier in a sense. You don't have to do all this craziness. Because you could just write all that basically, you guys gonna see it because I'm gonna do this one. So I'll leave let message define there, and then we have to redefine it all the time, because or we could probably just append it. So let's see. Let me see. Message, and then append it. Because we are writing the whole code here. So let's write this out and then go from there. So okay. So we define the message, and then we just keep reinitializing it here. So the message that we want to do in this for loop is, so the first thing we want to do is we want to import. So we want to import all of this. So we copy, paste, boom, we import it. Now we go ahead and we want to go to the next line, and probably, let me see, var hostname. Let's do another line here, and then go and type in var host name is equal to, there we go, with a dollar sign. Okay, host name, right? But I gotta remember I'm not doing the array here, so I gotta do something like this. Host names name. There you go. And then here, so we start with, okay, I think I forgot one part. So I imported, yeah, pretty fucking annoying. I know I fucked up somewhere. I just realized it. But I'm gonna take care of that right now. Alright. So var, so here we're gonna do the message. So the message is the script body. So I need to ignore the first part. Okay, so in the script body here, which I should rename that too, so it's easier for me to script body, and I need to rename that too, script body. Right now, I'm importing. There we go. Now the next message here is var host name, right? Because we're gonna write that there, and we're writing basically a host name, which is just we seem to need it to be a string. Var hostname is equal to a string. We already have the hostname being a string, so I shouldn't have to worry about that. So then from there, we go ahead and we close that. No problem. Boom. There we go. Now here, we want to have the while loop. So, whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. Now we want the while loop. So here, that's my bug zapper in case you guys heard it. We do while true, true. Come on, learn how to type. All right. And then we go boop. And then here in the while loop, we're going to do the whole let hack host names. Okay. The host name is going to be with the I. Did I have that wrong? Most likely. Oh, no, because it's okay. Yeah, never mind. Host name, right? Boop. And then here we go. Oh, let grow host name. Boop. And then let weekend host name. Boop. And then we just close it out. And that's it. There we go. Nice. So that's basically a whole message right there. But there's a little bit more, which is we gotta write the whole thing there. But anyway, but that's not part of the message. So then on the message part to get it done, that's basically the whole message with the spaces, everything. Everything is right there. So now we go ahead, we leave that there. That's the script body. We need to go ahead and do the whole let file name, and it's always better. So we just keep instead of keep reinitializing the variable. So we name this file name, make it global. JavaScript is dynamic, so you don't really need to define like anything else. So now here we do let var. I mean, again, we don't have to do that. All you do is file name is equal to, and then you could do something like this. So scripts, yeah, scripts, right? And then here you just put host names. So here we do this $, boop, boop, and then here we put host names, names, and then at the end we do dot script, and that's it. That's it. Then the last thing here is just going ahead with the while loop. We're just gonna do a write. Well, ns write, ns write, and then the file name, which we already have, the script body, and we're gonna pass w. There you go. All right, that should be pretty good, and we could run it and see what happens. So here we should be able to just replace the same thing we already have, and should be written the same way. So let's give that a try. So terminal test 3. All right. Concurrent calls to NetScript functions are not allowed. Do you forget to await hack grow? I know they're the promise. Currently running. Right. Try to run right. What? Currently running. Right. Tried to run right. Don't get what the hell that meant. But We're trying to write this. All right. So here it says await, or export, nst, okay, t print. So always await any function that is marked as async. Okay. Any function that you want to be visible. Okay. So I have to await. Let me see. Not the loop, but here, this one I have to await this one. Okay. Await. All right. That's a function. All right. Interesting. Never worked with that. So, all right. So let's go through the terminal. CD scripts, and let's nano into noodles. That's a script there. Okay, everything seems good except that blob thing up there. Actually, no, everything is not good. All right, let's see. Var while. Where's the while? Script body from. All right. Import let hack. Okay, from that. I need you to go away for a moment. All right, where did this file come from? Okay, that's annoying. All right, now var hostname noodles is actually not a string. Not sure why. Then while all this worked fine, okay, yeah, I'm an idiot. I was looking for more stuff. Okay, so the biggest deal here is that noodles did not come in as a string. So I need to make sure that it is a string. Which should be, because technically, if I run here, test 3, you'll think that's a string right here. But it isn't. Even though we're going through it, it isn't. But that's quick. We could just do something like this. Boop. Boop. Oh, not file name. Shit. Host name here. Boop. And boop. Please go away. So that's a string now. So if I save this, run it again. No. Oh, no. No, that's not what I meant to do. Okay. No such script. Correct. Okay. Can I do something like run 3? Yes, I can. All right. And now I'm going to nano into noodles. All right. So now it's a string. That part is good. Now here, the file name. I don't want this blob, whatever the fuck it's talking about. So I need to fix that. So file name. Okay, so it's slash scripts slash host name. Its host name has to continue being a string, which is apparently it isn't. No, actually no. I'm not talking about. This is the problem here. From okay, and all the way down here. So this import is being a problem. Import, okay, everything is from. Yeah, this is actually a string. Not sure why it becomes a blob file. Control. Where is it gonna take me? So if I go ahead and I try to run this noodle file, all right, instead of nano, let me try to run it. The script is already running. Can I run more? Okay, let's just kill it then. Let's kill noodles. Just noodles, right? And then let's run it again. Import due to invalid script. Yes, because Why do I have this blob? Alright. So it almost worked, except the stupid ass blob. Alright, so let's see. Import, let hack, and all that. That part worked fine. Yes. So from, then this is where it gets stupid. From, what I need to do is script. So maybe I could do single quote, and maybe it'll make it better. Let's, you always gotta try whatever you can, right? Especially if you don't know like 100% what the fuck is going on. And then nano. Alright, let's close the. No, let's not. Let's leave it alone. Terminal. Nano the crap out of it. It's still. Now it's a single quote. Yeah. Alright. Okay, for now, let's do something like this. Let's do test. From test. Save this. And then go ahead to a terminal. Let's run it. And then nano. Nano once more. Jesus Christ. Nano. Test. Okay. Now, from, I need scripts. So, from, right? Scripts. Okay. Let's save this. See what happens. Oh, let me close nano because then noodles because then it's stupid. Okay. Scripts. Okay. Okay. Now functions. Functions. It's just a word. Save it. Close noodles. Terminal. Run it. Nano it. Okay. Dot scripts. So all I need to do now is just add dot scripts. Alright. Or script. Dot script. Alright, there you go. Right? Right. Okay. Alright. Run it. Nano. Alright, it's not a stupid ass blob. Okay, cool. I gotta close the quotation by the way. Which I noticed I removed that here. Okay, yeah. Alright, well, let's see. Because the quotation was in there. Maybe now it gets stupid. Alright. Term. Please don't be stupid. And there we go. We are back to blob. Goddamn. Alright, why are we doing blob? Alright, let me see. Function import script becomes blob file. Or blobs. Just tag the meta. No, yeah, what the fuck is a blob? Burner. Okay, not script. Okay, yes, async. Blah 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 blah. Hmm. But what I want to know is how the hell do you use? Hmm. Where's the blob? Probably because it's a script. That's probably why I'm using a function from a script. Let me see. If it were JS, even though it wouldn't find it because it doesn't exist. But if I were to do something like that, JS, and then I go ahead and I close noodles, right? Right. Okay. Noodles. Yeah, that's what's up. So I'll have to convert everything to JavaScript. All right. Well, that's cool. I'm not gonna convert everything. At least I convert one thing. I gotta just change the name later on. I'll probably just change the name right now. This is the create hack basically. Yeah, it's the same as this one, create hack, but the JS format. So here I just go to terminal. I keep forgetting, but I think help MV is to rename. Yeah, to rename. So let me go here, CD. Let me go back and then go MV. Yeah, MV test.js, test3.js, and then put it call it create hack.js. There you go. And then if I list this, I got create .js and the other one. So I'm gonna run the create hack the script so I could fix noodles, and then I'm gonna run script. Yes, I know. There we go. That way I'm not missing out on my money and my hacking. All right. Well, I'm not gonna, that was like a good thing for you guys to basically see some of the how you call this thing ES6. Let me open that script right quick, just so I do like a little quick overview right quick. Nano create JS. All right, so here same, just a loops. I mean an array with all the host names. And then here I'm just initializing two variables with no values. Like they don't have no values. It's just variables that exist. Then here we need this export async function, and we pass ns, which is basically all the libraries that we use, like let hack, let whatever, anything that we have with JS. We need to have this export async function, and we have to call it using that ns. So anything we want to do is ns dot something. Now, if it's a function, from what I see, you have to make sure you have in a wait. So for sure it needs in a wait. Something I'm not used to using, so I can't let you guys know because I don't use async. I've never used async. So here, instead of doing a for loop, we're using this is a for in loop. This works for basically arrays. What you do is this here is basically like if it was the I, it's the index here. So this is the purpose of that, but it's with a name. You put like name, key, whatever you want to put, and then host name is, or you can name it index actually, and then host name is basically basically the array. So then it'll loop through. You don't have to go and do the I plus plus, none of that. Right away, you just pass it like this with the bracket, boom, and this like file name here is just basically a URL basically where I want the file, and I'm naming it script at the moment, and basically which I should name it JS, because when I start using this one, it's gonna be JS. And then from here, I write the whole, script. And as you guys saw, when you write the script, it's exactly because we use the string literal, which this is called the string literal, and it's awesome. Like here, you could write everything. This is really good for emails because you could write a template way easier. And for you to pass a variable, all you need is a dollar sign and the brackets. These open and curly braces, you need those guys. And then you pass in the variable. It's really, really, really fucking good to use that. And then here we need the await and then the ns again because we passing all that library in here. Dot right. So this is so I gotta get used to this. I honestly might continue using just a regular script because it's what I'm used to using at the moment. And then as I progress through the game, then I'll probably like change it. But this is for those that wants to use N script. I mean the NS2. Um, you're able to do more because on NS1 you don't have the for in loop because I did try it and it never worked. So if I could go nano. I mean, do I have any tests here? No test, right? Well, test two. I'll ignore test two for now. So nano test, right? Oh yeah, test dot script, and I do something like this. I just do an array, like even not even an array. If I do let you know number equal 0, right? And then I just want to do a t print number, which is supposed to only print in the terminal the number 0, right? I save this and then I try to run it. Run test script. Unexpected token. Error in test script, because it doesn't recognize this. Now, if I change it to var, it will run like no problem. And that's, yeah, there you go, 0. And that's basically not using EX6 to the full potential because EX6 has where you use let or const, which is kind of doing the whole thing like with other languages, like because it's constant is basically you cannot change those values. So if I have a variable that is equal to name and is equal to Super Saiyan Saito, and is a constant, if you want to try to change it to I don't know Super Saiyan 2 Saito, it will not allow you to. And then with the whole debate between let and var is that let is more scope, like you could keep it in a scope, and var if you had it like basically inside a function, I think it kept going something like that. I don't remember exactly. So that let was like a better improvement. Anyway, I recorded for some 40 something minutes this part. I don't want to overdo it, so let's clear here. If I'm not mistaken, if I type in clear, I could clear the terminal, and then let's go ahead and we don't need to create now these babies. Display program is used to this program is used to display hacking and net script related information about servers. Cool. I think I already got the version 2, so I don't need that crap. All right, so let's go ahead finally, right? And let's look at my milestone. We need to join the faction hinted at in looking for water. Hinted at in net or night sec. Oh man, I was fucking thirsty. All right, so let's go to the city, and we need to find that night whatever. So I have no idea where is this. So let's go ahead. Let's go to the terminal. 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 Okay, so let's do something like this. Scan. So here, when I scan, I've not seen those new stuff regardless. I'm surprised. If I'm in this city, shouldn't I see these guys? Right? Interesting. Excuse me. Net link. I don't think this is where I have to go. All right, let's go ahead. Travel. Yeah, I don't know because if you travel, it's not like you do anything. You're not in Ishmael. The slums. I could still do. I could do most of these guys. No, I'm not gonna join yet. Okay, world stock change. A glitch. Something aura surround this area. You feel you should leave. Okay. Omega. I'll decide later. I'm not trying to join anything yet. Okay. Purchase super. No. Not much around here. Okay, okay, okay. Alright. Let's go ahead. Go to the terminal. And then again, let's scan. Okay, so how about scan, analyze, right? And then we're gonna do 10. Because we cannot do more than that, right? We cannot do 15. Alright, the maximum depth is 10. Alright, nectar. Okay, no. No, none of this. Delta, no, no, no. Crush fitness, no. No, Netlink, maybe? But nah, I'm way out of that league. No, 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 no. God damn it. Neonet. No. Hmm. Netlink again. I think I already seen these guys. How many times did I run it? Alright. Okay, I ran it twice, that's fine. Alright, so nothing there. Alright, think. There was a way, if I'm not mistaken, where we could get information like let me see, help. Like what is inside a server, right? Okay, analyze. Okay, retrieve, no. Retrieves code or text from a web server, no. Reduce security. Delete. No, display, no. Excuse me. Oh shit. Available, no. No, no, no. A files on the machine. ls directory grep. Paste directory. This might be the command I need. So I need something where I could display all the files of in a machine, right? That's basically what I need. So let me go back to complete list of functions. There we go. So I'm gonna try to make one interface, right? Where I get all the files. So here, let me see. Disable runs. Okay, return. Get list of acquire source. No, no, not data. General. Returns current. Get the RAM. No, no, no. Return no. No. List files on a server. Yes. 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 All right. Here we go. Here we go. Nano test. My baby. All right. So let's do something like this. LS. Oh, fuck my life. All right, so I want to do t print, right? And I'm gonna do ls, and host will be noodles, and that's it. This should print any file noodles has on my terminal. Save. No, I went back to it. I need to run it. Run test script. Perfect. So that's the only file there, right? So this is what I need to do. My really awesome, right? So hopefully, right? Let me see. Nano create dot script. Hopefully one of these babies. If not, I need to find where. I need to go here. I'm gonna do something like this. Sorry. All right, and then here, I'm gonna steal my for loop. All right, boom, boom. Okay, I don't need any of this, and I don't need this. All right, what I do need is to print this. So what I need to do now is something like this. I want to have a message, so I'm gonna do something like var message, right? Then here, I want to initialize message to. All right, the file. The files of the host. Boop boop is and then whatever it is. Boop. Okay. So in this case, I'll do something like the file on the host, and then here the host will be host names. Alright. So we get the name of the host. And then here we're gonna do something like this. ls wait, even better. Or file name. And then here we name file name. And the file name is gonna equal to ls whatever host name is. Host Jesus Christ. Host name. There you go. So we're gonna grab everything there. Because I don't need a specific. Okay? A substring to search for host of the target. So returns a string of array. Perfection. And then here we do file name. Alright. And then all we have to do here is we just tprint it, the messages. So we do something like tprint file name. Let me see. We just message. There we go. Okay, now save this. Terminal. You run. Alright. I should do something like if there's nothing, then just return like 0. But netlink. Okay. Democracy is dead. Okay. So in my milestone here, I need to find join the faction hinted at in net or night set test message. So it has to be a message. Night set. Alright. Nothing here. That's not it. No. Excuse me. Contract. No. No, on the contract. No. No, 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 none of these. None of these. No, no, no. None of those have it. And I don't remember getting that message. So if I go, let's see here. I don't have that message. Not that I remember. Let me see. Oh my god, I do. I do. Guys. I was testing you guys. You guys should have told me. But you guys are always behind. That's the thing. You guys are always behind. I always tell you guys, you gotta be on top of your game. You guys are never on top of your game. Hey, I try, guys. I always try, but you guys, you guys are always behind. All right, message received from unknown sender. People say that the corrupt governments and corporations rule the world. Yes, maybe they do. But do you know who everyone really fears? People like us. People they can't hide from us. I mean, because they can't hide from us. Because they can't fight shadows and ideas with bullets. Join us, and people will fear you too. Find and install the backdoor on our server. Then we will contact you again. Night Sect. Okay? This message was saved. Okay. So, hinted. That there's no hint. All right, let me see. Nectar net. Omega net. No. Oh, it has to be one of these democracies that the I two could be that. But didn't I like already like install backdoor on everything here? Didn't I do this? Let me see. Because I could just run it again. My level is higher now. See these scripts. See sec script. Nuker. I need to move Nuker, man. And run all script. I mean, let me see. Was it move? Okay, move. Okay, source and destination. All right. So I'm gonna do something like this. MV Nuker home. Okay. And then I'm gonna move run. Okay. Well, of course. Run scripts. All right. So they should not exist here anymore. And then I'll just go back. A nuker should be here and run all scripts should be here. Oh god, I don't see it. Oh god, what did I name it? Oh god. Oh no, my baby. Create, create, create. Oh god damn it. Where's nuker? Alright, well. Did I create another R3? Oh god damn it. Yes I did. I was not trying to do that. Oh my god. Nuker script. CD do. Do you know how to do that? Oh my god. Well, I tried to go home, right? Home. Oh god damn it. Alright, let me figure out a way to move this shit out because it just keeps creating fucking directory. Alright. Run script. Run. Okay. Home. Oh god damn it, I did it wrong. Oh my god. Are you fucking shitting me? Why does home look weird? Ah. Alright. How can I move this shit out? Envy. Alright. Okay. CD. Home. Alright. 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 Okay. How about if I use the little tail dip thing? Oh, right. It's Nuka. Nuka. Okay. How about I do something like I want to move it one level down. All right. Okay. CD. Okay. So now I'm gonna move Nuker another level down. Actually, I'm gonna move it two levels down. Okay. So if I go home, Nuker is there. Jesus Christ. All right. Jesus. Very fucking annoying. All right. Oh well, it was the other home. 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 Okay. All right. So I'm gonna move run script here. All right. And move it to all right 3 down. So if I go back home, I should see it there. Run. There we go. Jesus Christ. All right. Run. Nuker. Jeez. Grr. There we go. Oh. All right. It should be nuking. Okay. And let me nano into it because I don't remember what it does. Nano nuker dot script. So it will look for everything else and it'll try to crack everything. Cool. Wish I have everything now. And my level is higher. Is that it? Okay. Okay. Should be able to keep going, I think, right? That's my max still? Nectar? I thought I could probably keep going. Maybe I gotta add more names. Okay. Okay, let me run the other file. What was it? Test 2? Jesus Christ, I did this for so long. Okay. My nose itches. Okay. Show Frontier. Secret Society. Omega. Well, they are talking about democracy being dead. So it has to be either the I or the other one. Let's go to I, the gazillion I there. So let's connect to I. No. I, dot I. Right. Alright. God damn it. Scan. Analyze. Analyze. Let's do 10. Yeah, fuck it. Alright, where is I? 10 million eyes. Okay, so I cannot hack none of these babies, yeah. All of these, yes, but none of these. Oh, I cannot hack this one either. Okay. 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 Oh shit, I cannot hack that one. So can I be I. But I thought I saw this another one of these. Okay. Alright, I cannot hack this one for sure. I hacked this one. This democracy is there. Cannot hack. Okay. How about? Oh, let me see. Phil Frontier, Tension, Man and Machine, Contract, Secret Society, maybe. Summit University. It's a secret society. Summit University. Oh, oh yeah, I'm not gonna be able to hack that. I'm not close to that. All right. Well, how about all right? Synthetic muscle, contract, man and machine. I doubt it's that one. Another secret society with Rothman, Roth something university. Where's that Roth? 396. Let me go back. Alrighty then. Let me see the Fail Frontier. Can it be one of those? I feel like it's more like New Triads or the New God. Let's check Omega. 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 208. I should be able to hack that. Alright. Let's go to Omega. And Omega is basically inside of a C-sect. Alright. Terminal. Connect to the oops and C-sect. Oh boy. I mean scan. Where was C-sect now? Oh shit. Okay, Sigma cosmetic. Okay. Connect. Sigma cosmetic. C-sect. Okay, so you can only do one thing at a time. Alright, cool. Alright. Scan. Boop. Alright. So connect to C-sect. The only thing there. Alright, scan. So we want to go to Omega. So connect to Omega. Alright. Now, let's do a scan, analyze, right? Analyze. So all ports are not closed. I mean, not open. So what we want to do is we want to run. Let's just do brute SSH. Run brute SSH. And then we could do run. What was it? FTP crack. Yeah, that's all. We need all of them. Now we can nuke it. Run nuke. Boop. Now backdoor. Install. Install backdoor. Okay. Backdoor. There we go. Ooh. We're gonna take a minute. Alright, while that's doing that, let me go commit a crime. I haven't committed crimes in a few days, yeah. Let's rob a bank. Or a store. Takes a minute. Yeah, let me see. Hopefully that one is where I have to go. If it's not, then I might leave it for the next video. I'll go ahead. There's other faction I could join. So what I might do in the next video is I'll probably join the other factions. Actually, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna join another faction right now. That way, because that way you take advantage of their argumentation. Then, because I gotta leave it, doing some work. That way I could earn their reputation. Then from there, when I come back, I'll have all that. I'm gonna try to scout out where is this other place. If I can't, again, I'll rinse and repeat until I go through all the faction. Then I'll install these new augmentation, and then I'll start the game all over again with the new stats. And hopefully, we make a lot of good money and shit. I got a lot of hacking. There we go. Cool. Then, all right, let's go back to the terminal. Back there was successful. Okay. Now then. So now that I'm there, let's list the new god. Okay. Let's read it. Cat, the new god. So everyone has a moment in their life when they wonder the bigger question. What's the point of all of this? This is my purpose? Some people dare to think even bigger. What would the fate of the human race be? We live in an era of vastly different in an era vastly different from that of 15 or even 20 years ago. We have gone beyond the limits of humanity. We have stripped ourselves of the triumph of flesh. The singularity is here, the merger of man and machine. This is where humanity evolves into. Okay? But singularity sounds good because that's where supposedly I should be able to get that thing where I could run scripts where I could just commit crimes. And that every minute I produce 400K. That would be way, way cool. Okay. Singularity. I might have to go to that Omega place. See if I could get that. So, faction. There's a bunch of factions here. Fuck. Let me see. Faction fair, reputation, purchase augmentation. There's nothing else to really purchase. That's a lot of money. I don't even have that much. I can only get one. It's only 1%. That's not worth it. You know what? Let's go join. They don't have nothing good there. Let's go and join. Let me see. Let's just do sector. Oh, I could keep joining. Oh, fuck. I got multiple? I didn't know that. My reputation is just growing just by existing there. Oh, shit. Carry out field mission. You're effective. How much? Okay, security work. Unlock donation at 150 favors. Okay. Unlock donation at 150 favor. Oh, I still need more. Wonder what is a donation. I'm gonna have to stick around. Okay, security work. Purchase augmentation. So I say keep going. Wow. 10% more dexterity. 20% more. That's not bad. Okay. This is more like charisma and other stuff. This one has more success and faster. This is good. And 12% more hacking experience. Wow. 141 build though. Wow. Cash route. Start with 1 million after installing augmentation. Oh, wow. Start with brute SSH. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Guys, look at this. But it's 5 fucking bill though. Alright. Okay. Let's see net burners, what they have to offer. Alright. 50% more in the hacknet. That's not bad. And 50% less for the node cost. That's not bad actually. Whoa. Okay. This is mostly on the hacknet production though. Wow. Hacknet production. Yeah. 45%. Fuck yeah. And this is just the normal stuff that I have. Oh, guys, you guys need to. Well, net burners is very good for anything for hacknet. Let's see what Alvlum has. Okay, dexterity. Okay, charisma. It's similar to the other one that I think I just went through. This one has a lot of stuff. Crime money, 7% more. Crime success rate, work money. That's not bad. This is actually pretty good. This one here. No wonder it's so expensive. Okay. Let's see the slum snakes. Alright, augmentation dexterity. Alright, defense. Alright. Yeah, this is the same one I've already got. Crime money, that's not bad. All right. Smart. All right. Well, that's not bad. If you're gonna be more focused on the crime. How about this one? Xian Di Wui. Okay. Wow, this is more for strength dexterity. All right. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I think the best one was that net burners. In my opinion, I think the hat net makes so much money when you're off that that one would probably be the first one I'm gonna go for. Um, Unfortunately, I wasn't unable to find this one. It's one of those democracy is dead. I'm pretty sure it's one of those, but my hack level is not there yet. It's probably gonna take me a bit before it gets there. Um, I will say maybe by tomorrow it'll probably get there. All my scripts are still running. Yeah, food and stuff. I should have my noodles at the end, so that should all be producing me money. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the jobs. No, wait, hacknet first is the first thing I need to hit. So I'm gonna try to get more. This is at max level. So max level is 200. Good to know. Good to fucking know. Let me see. I can max it out. Uh, Let me see. How much is it? It's 32 mil just for a new server. And a new server, how much does it bring in? It doesn't bring in a lot, but it does increase by a lot when you do this. Increase by $15. Let me see. Yeah, roughly around $15. $2 a second. 12. All right. Well, I could. These are quick. To 2 mil. Yeah. How much am I producing? 5K a second. That's not too bad. Um. Yeah, these are getting too expensive now. It's not even worth it. Um. Wow, this is $453 a second for 8 mil. I think that's worth it. That's very worth it. Yeah, that's worth it. Yeah, 7K a second. It's actually worth it right there. All right. Well, now let me go to get a job, and I want to return to the world. I want to go back to. Let me see. No, let me go back to my city. Let me travel back to where do I start? Sector 12. You're now in Sector 12. Joe's guns. Okay, yeah, I'm back. So if I work for NASA, I have enough hacking skill. No, you need everything if you want to do fucking national security. But for IT, you can actually do that or a security job. No, I don't have that, but a software job, I could do that. Congratulations, you were offered a new job at National Security Agency as a. Oh, I thought it was NASA. Software engineer intern. Company reputation, and then if I work, I'm making 300 and something dollars a second. That's not bad. And I'm getting a lot of hacking skill. So let me check how much. Give me a second. As a CIA, I make. Okay. Okay. All right. Work. Okay. Basically the same. Let me see. Unfortunately, you do not qualify for promotion. Why not? Oh, because my reputation, 200 hacking, which I do have, but not reputation. All right, that's fine. I'll continue working. And yeah, I'll probably leave it here. This is a good place to stop. So next time, what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to focus on trying to. Well, first of all, I need my level to go higher. I need more money. So I might wait. Maybe I'll make a video in a few days. Tomorrow for sure I'll not make one because I'm gonna focus my on son's birthday. So I'll probably make one either Sunday or Monday. That way I can farm some money while I'm offline, and then when I get back, I'm gonna try to see. Hopefully, I have better hacking, and I could go ahead and go into one of those that have that democracy is dead. I'm pretty sure those are the one because from the from the hint of the message, it's talking about basically democracy being dead, about how the government and whatnot. So I'll hack those. I'll install backdoor. Then that should open up a milestone. Then I'll know that that's how I do it. So now I'll go ahead. I'm gonna try to install the most, the best argumentation. For sure I want to focus on hacking, the one that has like 12% for all XP, the ones that increases the hack and the weak and grow. I think those are very very important, and anything with a hacknet. Hacknet is what makes me the most money. If you have what more percent, like 15% more and stuff like that, and the other one that there was one that is like it reduces the price by 15%. That's major. And there's one that you start with 1 mil from the get-go and you already have brute SHH. That means you already could start nuking some of these with one port. That's perfect. The more you get of those, then you don't even have to buy them in the darknet. That's I'm telling you, like some of those argumentation are amazing, and it's a perfect way for you to like go faster. The more you do argumentation, the faster you could go when you reset the game. So that mechanic is pretty good. It's kind of scary because you have to start everything all over again. But if you automate the scripts, that way you don't have to go one by one and open all the ports and open all the scripts. Then that's why the best way. There's better ways, but one of the best way is what I was doing. You're able to just add a new sorry, I had to move. You have to add just on the array, you add a new host. You run the run create hack, which creates the file, which has everything already with the weak grow and everything, however time you want to do it. You have your function page there, your function script. You go in there, you manipulate it. If you want to hack 20 times before you grow in, or weekend, or you just want to do one every time, that's however you want to do it. But you could just manipulate that script. Then you go ahead and you just add the rest of the other hosts. You add into the array, just copy and paste, boom, 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 boom. And then with the if else that we have that condition, what happens is that it will check if you have those executables. I'm actually gonna see if I make a video. I'll probably do that like on Monday, maybe. I'm gonna make a video just explain, like I'm gonna try to make a quick video where I explain those files, how again, this is just a beginning file. Like you guys could, if you have more skills than me, you guys could manipulate and make it better. If you guys have less skills, you could use the same. As you gain better skills, you can manipulate it. But basically, what I want to do is so that you guys are able to basically start the game and just run this file without having to worry if it fails. Whether you have the level, whether you don't have the level, whether you have the file yet, that don't matter. You can run it as many times. You wait 2 days, you come in, you buy the rest of the files, you run it, and it opens. And then you write the scripts. You don't have to manually write each script. You just go ahead and bam, it writes it. You have all the scripts there in a separate directory. That's another thing you want to do. You want to make sure that it's in a separate directory where you're just having those there. That's why I moved Nuker and the other one, Run Script, to the home directory, because that's a better place to have those. And later on, I might even create another directory just for those, and and so on. This is the best way to do that. You know, and yeah, I think that's good for today. I'm gonna try to do a video doing that. The next video, I'll wait a few days. That way, I have more money. I could do more. I feel like I didn't really do much today. I didn't accomplish as much. Good thing is that I accomplished the whole thing with the JavaScript part. So you guys could see it. I might not do that at the moment. I would love to use a string literal, but it's more than I could chew right now, and I'm not playing off the camera at the moment. Like I'm not really playing much off the camera. All the game, like all my gameplay, you guys are seeing it raw. So this is how my level in playing these days for the whole time, and you guys see it all from the beginning to the end. So if I were to play it on on my own, then maybe I could like have some scripts ready and stuff like that. But it might not be something I might do because I do have like I have a time crunch. Like I have my work, I have my son that I gotta take care of, house stuff I have to worry about, and at the same time I'm pushing videos out to YouTube, and like I'm trying to do two. I'm trying to be able to do like for my Bitburner family that is joining our community, and also my regular people that might come just to see a regular game, and that way I could like basically like complement both team. So now seeing that the money is I need more hack skill and everything like that to get the other ones. I'm pretty sure one of those, the other two, that are like level 300 and something, I do with the democracy is dead. One of those is part of that new, that knight, whatever sector, whatever it's called, the other faction. So I'll wait a bit until I'm like close to level 400 in hack. I'll try it out and then start installing some augmentation and restart the game and then rinse and repeat. But yeah, what I would like to do is, like I said earlier, I'm gonna see if I make one video where I just bring out the most simplest scripts that could facilitate you when you start the game from fresh. That way you guys could basically have a go a step ahead. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for if you made this far, thank you even more for watching. Let's see what happens. Is again, it's a really good game. I love it. I would like to say also that I'm pretty soon I should be getting the new computer. Actually, I'm gonna see if I order it today. If I don't order it today, I'm gonna order it tomorrow because I am fucking tired. I gotta make another video for the other viewers. And I say viewers like I have a lot of viewers. I don't have a lot of viewers, but I want to make games for the other viewers that just want to watch some random stuff, and maybe in the future that they come into the channel. I don't know. Anyway, I'm weird. Uh, so I'm gonna try out the. I think it was Son Goku who mentioned it. The he's one of the guys I think he's subscribed to, but I know he was in one of my live stream, and he was mentioning the I think it's like the PC Builder simulator. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna play that one. I'm techie, so it'll be cool playing like maybe I'll learn stuff too that I don't even know. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna try that one out. If you guys have any other games that you guys think is like like Bitburner, I can search too. But if you guys see any other games that you think is like Bitburner that you don't need to be like a a developer to play either, I wouldn't mind checking it out. Um, and yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to see this series to the end, as much as I can. You guys let me know if you guys want me to try stuff out. Like one of the comments, like I said earlier, was to try out the JS, and I gave it a try, and I was able to write one script. I'll have to convert the rest of the script to JS. Do I want to? I think I could, but I feel like it's not really that necessary. But again, it all depends on your level. Like if you really are big on that, then yes. I don't really care at the moment. But yeah. Um, but I'm there to listen to you guys every time. I like reading your comments. I try to reply, especially because I have a small community, so I'm here to reply. I'm not getting like hundreds or thousands of comments in a day. Then maybe I wouldn't be able to reply to everyone. But yeah. Again, I already went longer than I supposed to. Guys, take it easy. I'm happy that you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm happy to see, you know, my channel, especially with Bitburner going up pretty high. It's a really good game. It seems to be really high. I'm gonna continue playing not only Bitburner but any other game. If you guys want to check out any other different games, I don't know. I have over 100 videos. I don't even know how many freaking games anymore. And I'll be playing pretty soon, like better 3D games and stuff like that. If you guys want to check it out, and I don't mind the critique, what you guys think, and yeah, I'm I don't know what to tell you guys. Guys, getting ready to be able to end the video. I hope you guys have a nice one, alright? Take it easy, guys.